On a chilly afternoon, nothing beats being on the couch in front of a movie or a TV show, sipping a hot chocolate. I'm going to show you my white chocolate and vanilla version, and this is so delicious. So I've just been boiling some milk. You could use any type of milk you like. I've in fact used a nut milk because I love that nutty flavour, but you can use cow's milk if you like. Then we're going to add the chocolate. So white chocolate for this, just to keep that pure white look that we're after with this hot drink. So I'm going to use a whole bar of white chocolate. We're going to break it into little cubes, and we're going to add this to our gently boiling liquid. You don't want it to be too hot because it will seize the chocolate. So just on that low heat, grab a whisk and just let that melt away. In fact, I will turn the heat off now because it's so hot in there. It'll melt really gently and thicken up just a little our milk there. For another flavour profile that goes with the vanilla, some nutmeg. So a very small pinch of nutmeg because I want the prominent flavour here to be the vanilla. And for that, I'm using something a little more complex and something that's bursting with flavour. That is vanilla extract. So I'll add a cupful, measure that out, and we'll give that a little whisk. Now that I can feel that all of that chocolate has melted, this is ready to be served. So in your favourite cup or mug, we'll top that up, and just to make this extra decadent, it is for the weekend after all, a dollop of cream, just let that float on the top and melt away. And I don't know about you, but I've always got marshmallows in my pantry just for these special occasions. We can add those to the top, and that is a delightful, wintry, warmer vanilla hot chocolate.